What's up guys, welcome to our channel eTechniz. In this video we'll talk about Facebook privacy settings. The privacy security you have to do to keep your account secure. If you'll follow through all the settings I'm going to explain you today in this video, then you can secure your account and nobody else can get through your password or your private information. Before going through, do not forget to subscribe our channel. If you like this video then give a thumbs up and do not forget to share with your friends as well. And if you like to follow us on our Facebook, then you simply have to type www.facebook.com/eTechniz. You can follow us on our Facebook, or either you can search on Facebook by typing eTechniz. Now let's get started. What you have to do, first of all, you have to come in your profile as I'm here in Tej. You have to click on About. In About section, you can see here the information. Few information are here and some information are here. If you do not like to share any of the information like work and education, then you can hide that information too. Just simply have to click on Edit option and you can make it private. You can click on Only Me if you do not want to share with anyone. And the most important thing which you do not have to share with anyone is the contact and basic information. Mobile phone number, your email address, your date of birth, every information in contact and basic. If you'll hide all these information, then most probably you'll secure your account. And what you have to do, just come here and you can see the edit option here. Click on the edit and make it only me and then save the changes. That's all you have to do with all your information in here. You can see in email address you have to do the same thing. You have to click there and select only me and save changes. Do not forget to change the setting of your date of birth, like the month and the date and the year. Most of the people keep their date of birth as their password, so you have to remember you do not have to keep it public. You have to keep it only me, and if you'll keep it only me, then your account will remain secure and nobody else can get your password. These are the information you have to do in About section. Moving forward to the search engine things and the other setting you have to do, just click on this upside down arrow and click on these settings. Here you have to come in this option. You can change the setting here as well. I'm going to explain all the information in my next video, that how you can use your Facebook and what other things you'll get in the settings. But today, as I'm going to explain you about the privacy, so as you can see here, privacy setting, and in here you can change the option like your activity, who can see your future post. If you like to keep it private, then you can keep it private. If you like to keep it only friends, the friends you have in your profile, then you can keep it friends. Or if you like more option, then you can select any one of these. You should have to keep your personal profile as private, but as you can see, this is profile of my website, so I like to keep it public because I want to share every information on public basis. Or if you want to know other information, that what are the benefits of public option, then you can visit to the link given in the description where I wrote the complete information that how you can use your Facebook account. Let's check the other information too. Here are some other information how people can find and contact you. You can see here who can send you friend request. I have set up everyone so that anyone can send me request or want any suggestion or they want to be friend. You can keep it friends of friends, or you can keep it everyone. You can choose any one of these. Who can see your friend list? You can keep it only me if you do not want to show your friend list. Who can look you up using the email address you provided? You can select only me, or any other information. Just simply have to click on edit and you'll get that option to select. Who can look you up using the phone number you have provided? You can select only me. And this is another thing. Here's the interesting factor. Do you want search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? You can select yes, or you can select no, or you can uncheck this box by turning it off. If you do not want to share your information to the search engine, then you can uncheck this box, and by this, Facebook is not going to share any of your information you post on your profile to search engines. Remember this is a really important thing. Search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile. If you share any of the information on your Facebook profile, if you share your location, like if you are visiting somewhere and you are in some location and you have shared with your friends that I'm in location, and if somebody is trying to track your information, if somebody want to track your information, then they simply type your profile information in the search engine with some advanced search option, and they can get through your information from search engine as well. So do not allow this option if you do not want to share any of your profile information to search engine like Google. I'm keeping it allow search engine outside of Facebook to link to my profile because this is my website profile and I do not want to hide any of those information. So these are the things which you have to do if you are using a Facebook, and you have to do some Facebook privacy settings to keep every information private. Then you can change these settings. So that's all for today about Facebook privacy settings. You can visit my page facebook.com/tegadvice, and the same goes for Twitter and Pinterest and Instagram. You can follow me there as well. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.